Greetings, my friends. Today I am at Garden of the Gods, located in Colorado Springs. Bringing you a Vinyasa flow. If you enjoy this video and find it helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Grab your mat, some water, find a comfortable place outside or in your home, and let's get started. Today, we'll begin our practice at the top of the mat. Feet are hip width apart. You're going to find some movement, maybe even shaking out the hands. Finding the feet hip width apart. Your shoulders up to your ears and slowly down the back. One more time. Shoulders up to the ears and slowly roll them down the back. Inhale, reach both arms high, extended mountain, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, cactus the arms, shine your heart towards the sky. Inhale, reach extended mountain. Exhale, grab opposite elbows. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, begin to lean towards your right side, slightly micro bending into the knees. Swoop your head down towards your toes, then come full circle all the way up through the right side. Inhale to lengthen, reset. Exhale, lean towards the right, micro bend the knees. Begin to swoop your head down full circle towards your toes all the way up to the left side. Inhale, reach the arms high, and exhale, hinge at the hips, lead with the heart, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, hands come to shins or thighs, nice flat back, gazes forward. Exhale, forward fold, hands to earth, step back to a plank pose. Shift forward onto your tippy toes so the shoulders are stacked over the wrists. Full inhale. Exhale, tricep lower. Uncurl the toes. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Send the hips up and back. Palms are wide spread. Slight micro bend in the elbows. Slight micro bend into the knees. Let your head hang nice and heavy to the earth. Inhale, reach your right heel high, three-legged dog. Exhale, bring your right knee to your right wrist or elbow. Inhale, reach the heel high. Exhale, knee towards nose. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, right knee, left elbow, find a twist in the core. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, bend the knee, thread it through low lunge. Inhale, rise, crescent pose, both arms reach towards the sky. Front knee is stacked over front ankle. Still be able to see your big toe. Fingertips are rolled inward. Slight micro bend in the knee. Full inhale. Exhale, swoop the fingertips down as you hover your back knee towards the earth. Hold here. Squeeze into your left glute. Finding the depth in your lunge. Inhale, reach the arms high, crescent pose. Exhale, hinge forward, airplane the arms back. Pinkies roll back, shoulder blades roll back to kiss, and the chest is proud. Squeeze your belly button back, engage through the core. Inhale, reach biceps by ears, keeping that nice hinge in the torso. Flex through the fingertips, engaging through the forearms. Take a full inhale. On your exhale, pivot your back foot so it's parallel with the back of the mat and bring your arms into a T, warrior two, keeping the depth of that front knee. Inhale, flip the palms up, and exhale them down, just realigning those shoulders. Let's ignite those legs. Pretend you're scrunching the mat with your feet. This is going to help you find that alignment. Inhale, straighten your front knee. Exhale, hinge forward. Right hand comes to ankle, calf, or block. Left arm reaches towards the sky or the ceiling. Slight micro bend into your knee. I want to pretend that the arms are pages of a book and we're shining those pages up towards the ceiling. Inhale, reverse triangle. Left arm is behind the back. Right arm reaches towards the sky. Gaze follows. Full inhale. Exhale, windmill your arms slowly, framing your front foot, coming into a low lunge. Press into your palms. Step back to a plank. Full inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, reach your left heel high. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, knee towards nose. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, left knee, right elbow, find a twist in the core. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, bend the knee, thread it through low lunge. Inhale, rise, crescent pose, reach the arms up. Front knee is stacked over the front ankle. Slight micro bend in your back knee. Full inhale to lengthen and expand. Exhale, swoop the fingertips down. Slight micro bend into your back knees that hovers towards the earth. Hold here, squeeze into your right glute, giving that depth in that front knee as it stays stacked over that ankle. Inhale, crescent pose, both arms reach. Exhale, hinge forward, airplane the arms, pinkies roll back, shoulder blades kiss. Lightly shift forward onto those back toes. Pull your belly button back towards your spine. Stay fully engaged, fully present. Inhale, reach biceps by ears like you're squeezing a big beach ball. Full inhale to lengthen. Exhale, pivot your back foot so it's parallel with the back of the mat and bring your arms out into a T, warrior two. Inhale, flip the palms up. And exhale them down, just realigning those shoulders. Inhale, straighten your front knee. Exhale, hinge forward, left hand to ankle calf or block. Right arm swoops up towards the ceiling, coming into triangle pose. Once again, gazing up towards that top hand, beginning to open up the palms as the hands are pages of a book, shining those pages towards the ceiling or sky. Inhale, reverse triangle. Left arm floats up, gaze follows. Right hand is behind the back or the thigh. Full inhale. Exhale, windmill the arms down to frame your front foot, coming into a low lunge. Step back to plank. Full inhale. Exhale, tricep lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Send the hips up and back. Inhale, right heel high. Exhale, right knee, right elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, knee towards nose. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, right knee, left elbow twist. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, bend the knee, thread it through low lunge. Great work. Inhale, reach the arms high, crescent pose. Exhale, bend to swoop the arms down. Inhale, reach, crescent. Exhale, hinge forward, airplane the arms. Inhale, biceps by ears. Exhale, warrior two, pivot and open. Inhale, straighten your front knee. Exhale, hinge forward, triangle pose. Inhale, reverse triangle, right arm floats up, gaze follows. Exhale, windmill the arms, low lunge. Step back to plank, full inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left heel high. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, knee towards nose. Inhale, heel high. Exhale, left knee, right elbow twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, rise, crescent pose. Exhale, bend and swoop the fingertips to the earth. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, hinge forward, airplane the arms. Inhale, biceps by ears. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straighten your front knee. Exhale, hinge forward, triangle pose. Inhale, reverse triangle, left arm floats up, gaze follows. Exhale, windmill the arms, low lunge. Step back to plank. Full inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right heel high. Exhale, bend the knee, thread it through, low lunge. Inhale, rise, crescent pose, both arms reach towards the sky. Exhale, warrior two, pivot and open. Inhale, star pose, both toes point towards the edges of the mat, hands are wide. Exhale, hands come to heart center, finding a horse pose. Find depth in your squat. Inhale, lift both heels. Option to stay or add a pulse for a little extra heat. And find depth in your squat. Have a nice flat back, hands pressed to heart center. Press the palms as tight as you can to ignite that energy. Lower the heels. Inhale, star pose, reach. And exhale, wide-legged forward fold. Option to slightly point the toes in as the heels knock out, finding your depth. Press into the right palm, inhale the left arm high. Exhale, lower. Press into the left palm, inhale the opposite hand high. Exhale, lower. Walk your hands towards the front of the mat, framing your front foot. Step back to a plank pose. Full inhale. Exhale, tricep lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left heel high. Exhale, bend the knee, thread it through, low lunge. Inhale, rise, crescent pose, both arms reach. Exhale, warrior two, pivot and open. Inhale, star pose, arms open wide, both feet are facing the opposite direction. Exhale, horse pose, find a deep squat as you bend into the knees. Inhale, lift your left heel. And a pulse here or hold, yogi's choice. You could build that heat by holding or work into that back hip flexor and your hamstring by adding in that pulse. Nice, you're doing great. Almost there. Lower the heels, switching sides, opposite heel lifts, either holding or adding in that pulse. Lower the heel, inhale, star pose. Exhale, find a bind behind your back. Inhale, shine your heart forward, pull the bind tight. Exhale, hinge forward, wide-legged fold. Option once again to point the toes inward as the heels knock outward. Internal rotation of those hips as you fold towards the earth. Option to hold that bind, or if you'd like, release the bind, bringing the hands down to the ground. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Walk the fingertips towards your front of the mat, pivoting both feet to a low lunge. Step back to plank. Full inhale. Exhale, tricep lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Send the hips up and back. Inhale, gaze forward towards the fingertips. And exhale, slowly walk the feet to the hands, coming into a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, hands come to shins or thighs. Exhale, forward fold. Deeply bend the knees. Inhale, rise, coming into your extended mountain pose. Both arms reach. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Step to the top of your mat and find your feet hip-width apart. Inhale, reach, staff pose on the right side. Right knee is bent, right foot is flexed. Exhale, place your left hand onto your right knee. Right hand swoops towards the back of the mat. Gaze follows. Finding that twist at the core. Inhale, untwist, reach, staff pose. Exhale, hinge forward, warrior three, bringing our body into a T position, flexing those right toes towards the earth, squeezing through that right glute. Option to lower the hands to the earth or stay in your warrior three with the hands by the side. Inhale, staff pose, right knee is bent, right foot is flexed. Exhale, right arm comes underneath the left, finding eagle arms, or grab opposite shoulders. Stacking that right knee over the left, coming into our eagle pose. Full inhale. Exhale, crunch elbow towards knee. Inhale, lengthen, untwist, reach, staff pose. You've got this. Exhale, hands come to heart center, lower your right foot to the earth. Beautiful. Switching sides. Inhale, staff pose on the left side. Left knee is bent, left foot is flexed. Exhale, bringing that right hand to left knee. Left hand swoops towards the back of the mat, twisting at the core. Inhale, untwist, reach both arms towards the sky. Exhale, hinge forward, warrior three, hands come by the side, flexing those left toes towards the earth, keeping the hips in line with the mat. Squeeze through your glute, you've got this. You need to lower the hands to a grounded airplane. Inhale, reach the arms high, staff pose. Exhale, eagle arms, this time left arm underneath right. Left knee stacks over right knee. Full inhale. And exhale, take a seat back, eagle. Full inhale to lengthen. Exhale, eagle crunch, elbow comes towards the knee. Find that crunch in the core. Root down, inhale, rise. Coming back into that staff pose. And exhale, foot meets the earth, hands come to heart center. Shake it out, reset, find any movement you need. You need to find your feet hip width apart. Bring your hands in line with the shoulders and come up onto your tippy toes. Take a full inhale and exhale. Slightly bend the knees and pretend you're sinking your glutes back into a seat as you slowly lower towards your heels. Inhale your arms wide. Exhale, give your knees a big hug, rounding through the spine, tucking the chin, and using your hands to make your way to a seated position. Slightly scoot the glutes back. Bring your hands between your thighs and your calves, finding a nice straight spine. Inhale, lift one foot, and exhale, lift the other, finding your boat pose. Hands can stay as they are or by the sides. On your exhale, slowly lower as you straighten the knees, pointing the toes. Inhale, back to boat. Exhale, low boat. Inhale, boat. You've got this. Exhale, low boat. Inhale, boat. Almost there. Exhale, low boat. Inhale, boat. Exhale, low boat. Hold here, you've got this. Pull your belly button back towards your spine. And exhale, lower your back to the earth. Inhale, full body stretch, extend the arms long, point the toes, become as long as you can. Then on your exhale, bring your knees into your chest and give your knees a big squeeze, maybe even pulling your forehead towards your knees. Slowly lower, extending both feet onto the mat, hands by the side, coming into your final Shavasana corpse pose. You can pause the video here if you'd like some extra time in Shavasana. That concludes today's class. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat today. If you enjoyed this class and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you next class. Namaste.